Even the strongest of opponents always have a weakness. Itachi Uchiha. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Sorry about that. Play the intro. And what is happening, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I really need to get a schedule together because I really my uploading is like all over the place. Like I need to get organized, but you know, it is what it is. Until I work out my life, then I'm just gonna be doing some random uploads. I'm sorry, but before we get into the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends, and yeah, let's just do it. You know what I'm saying? So today we are drawing the most badass character. Well, is he the most badass character in Naruto? I don't know. I mean, of course Naruto's gonna be always number one. He's gonna, I don't know, bro. I don't know. He might be like the third most badass character to me. You know, first is Naruto. Second has to be Kakashi. Even though this dude kicked Kakashi's ass in one of the episodes. Sorry about cursing, mom. But even though this dude kicked Kakashi's behind in one episode, I still think Kakashi's a little bit more badass. In a way. But he definitely comes in third place for me. This dude is awesome. I'm like, okay, bro, you never seen. This guy is honestly like my favorite character in Naruto. Like, there's nothing else I can say. Like, he's just that cool. You know what I'm saying? He's just that awesome to me. I don't know to y'all. Maybe you guys hate him. Maybe some of you guys don't even like Itachi. But I think Itachi is awesome, bro. All right, the brother of none other than Sasuke Uchiha. Probably my second favorite character. He's not the most badass, but he's definitely one of my favorite characters. All right, I'm gonna have to rank my characters right now. I'm gonna say Naruto number 1, Sasuke number 2, who else? Kakashi number 3. I would put Tsunade up there, but I don't know. Tsunade, she's just, I don't know. She's like I don't know. I'm actually gonna name my top 5. These are my top 5. All right. So I only got my 3. Who else deserves a spot in did I say Sasuke? I guess I could put Sasuke there. And my last one is gonna be Itachi. All right, Itachi is my last one. All right, my top 10. I don't know. I hate Sakura, bro. I don't even know where that came from. I just don't like Sakura. But yeah, I think that's it for now. I can't think of the rest of them right now. But maybe later. But yeah, this dude, he's part of, wait, what is the group he's part of? The Akatsuki? Is it? Yeah, I think the group is called the Akatsuki. I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's the Akatsuki. If not, then I look stupid right now. But he's part of the super duper like underground ninja office corp or whatever, where they're like super duper awesome, super duper cool. They wear these cloaks, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say about him. But question for you guys. Okay, I'm gonna be a little bit creative about this. What was the most tragic scene in Naruto for you guys? For me, the most tragic scene, it's got to be the part where my boy died. Well, I forgot the dude's name, but he like had these like hand knives and bro, the names are off today. I know his name, I just can't remember. He was a trainer. He was a master trainer. Okay, I think he trained what's that dude? The dude who's always like, what a drag. He trained him. I think Hinata. the fat guy, Choji, the girl that Sakura doesn't like, what's her name? Ino? Okay, I think that's Ino. And then I forget the other one. I forget the other one's names, but you know what I'm talking about. I think the part where he got killed, like their master, that team's master, got killed, got clapped by that guy with like that weird, regeneration power and that huge sword or whatever. That part was like, it was so sad. And the part that really got me was when I found out that he had a baby with that other lady. What was her name? The girl. The names are off today, but you know what I'm talking about. The girl with the red eyes. She had black hair. She was kind of bad. She was pregnant with his baby, and when he died, and I found out that she was pregnant, I was like, damn! Oh my! Wait, am I spoiling stuff? I'm sorry, guys. I don't think I should be talking about that. Oh gosh. Oh, oops. Sorry, I didn't mean to. I'm trying to be as spoiler free as possible. If I spoil that for you guys, I'm so desperately sorry, and I shouldn't have done that. I don't know what came over me. A matter of fact, I'm gonna end the voiceover right now because I just spoiled that. But yeah, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, share with your friends. The names are a little bit choppy today. I know the names, and I know I talk fast, but I'm gonna work on that. So, without further ado, peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Leave down some other characters you guys want to see drawn on this channel, guys. Don't be shy. Do not be shy. Just comment it, alright? Alright, guys, I'll see you guys later. Peace out, and answer the question. Saddest scene on Naruto. You already know mine. I'm out, guys. 7 minutes of talking is enough time of you guys hearing my voice. Peace out. Yeah, I'm out. Bye.
Yo, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, what am I doing? Did I do it right? Yeah, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, I can't think straight, need the light. I need to breathe, get me up and out of the sheets, onto my feet. Another cup of coffee and me, that's what I need. My eyes puffy, I can't see. I'm too tired to function, but too lost to sleep. Ay, I think I need to be on something medication. I think I need to figure out the segregation. I think I needed just a better education to understand a world that's so complicated. Intoxicated, every night faded, just so I can sleep thinking that it's sated. I feel hated, I feel hatred. I'm lost deep in my mind that I've created. I have dreams where my life is devastated. Feel so real that I wake up shaking. Need thicker skin cause this life is no haven. Nod your head if you get what I'm saying. All these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, what am I doing? Did I do it right? Yeah, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, I can't think straight, need the light. Yo, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, what am I doing? Did I do it right? Yeah, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, I can't think straight, need the light. I don't really think I understand this world now. Got my head spinning round in a circle. Everybody lacks what they need internal, so they compensate with everything external. Not trying to throw shade, no way. I'm just trying to find the meaning of life, hey. There's happiness if you try to live the right way. Forget about what others have and live your life, hey. Be aware of who you are, what you're good at. Take a step forward, see where your foot's at. Stand tall, stand proud, talk loud. Every word out your mouth has purpose now. You just gotta get rid of the bad thoughts. Hating others cause you know that they gotta lie. Forget that though, you got plenty, you're alive in this life. You got time, go get it. All these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, what am I doing? Did I do it right? Yeah, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah,